Man has always felt a compelling need to move forward. Above all, in a precise direction. And it is on the concept of movement that we created our company. Our history, rather like that of Made in Italy, dictates a style based on creativity, passion, and quality. Our casters are like the arms of a clock. They turn slowly, but they can go a long way, rolling toward the future. And we foresee great accomplishments in our tomorrow because it is not just a question of action, but also of dreaming. Not just planning, but also believing. The origins of our company are embedded in our name. OgTM stands for Officine Giovanni Trevini Milano. Behind every successful enterprise, there is someone who took a courageous decision. Giovanni started his journey in 1960 and has never stopped since then, going on through several generations. Today, OgTM is run by his son Ruggero and daughter-in-law Marilena, who, with their child Elisa and Daniele, have kept alive the same dream and created a great team. There are but a few who are great enough to think of the common good before themselves, as if it were a large family. It is this concept that has allowed the company to broaden its horizons progressively, moving on from being a light industrial concern to a company of international proportions, which is considered to be part of the technological elite, a position confirmed by the numerous world patents. Our mission is to produce lasting products, focusing on the creation of something exceptional, because for us, perfection is not just a mere detail. First comes the idea, then the organization of those ideas into projects, and finally, the transformation of that vision into reality. Every model is made combining aesthetics and functionality in the best possible way and following a virtuous path which is confirmed by the many international certificates. In today's world, technology, business people and ideas abound. What we lack is great teams. Our company's strategies have laid the foundations for close cooperation with the most prestigious furniture companies, with famous architects such as Vico Magistretti, Antonio Citerio, Franco Bizzozzero, and Giuseppe Bavuso, in addition to internationally famous designers such as James Irvine and Philip Stark. Every year, our design department develops new products with a high content of innovation, subjects the designer's creation to in-depth feasibility studies, and designs the mechanics of all the components. In this way, we are able to satisfy all the needs of aesthetics, functionality, and customization with products that stand out in the international panorama for their high manufacturing quality and uniqueness of concept. Our greatest successes were the result of grasping all the opportunities and attempting to create something new. Our quest will never end, and the purpose of our quest is to arrive at the point from which it all started off, and to know it for the first time, like a caster that never stops turning. OgTM, designing the movement, made in Italy.